My Bryant is defrosting. God, I had to get a recording to get this shit on tape. Woo! Awesome. First defrost cycle I've ever seen from this Bryant. Oh my God. All frozen here. It's like 77 degrees outside. I'm filming this to the end. It's on cool mode right now. Still hot though. I think it's defrosting. Yep. That or the fan blew burnt out. Oh shit, this is hot as hell. Either it's not defrosting or the fan just burnt out. Honestly, that's what I'm thinking. Woo! It's just so cold coming off the bottom. This is so cool. Ow. It is really cool though. Wonder how long it's going to take to defrost. Maybe it is defrosting, but I don't really know. I just grabbed my camera. This looked cool. Anyways. If it is defrosting, it's taking forever. Like, ow. That's hot. Over and out.